If you're painting a large mural, you probably wondered if it was worth spending the extra money on professional spray paint when hardware store spray paint is half the price. I wondered the same thing when I was first starting out, but as a commissioned artist, I've learned how to use both professional and hardware spray paint as tools to get the job done. So in this video, I'll be sharing my tips and tricks for when I use professional paint or less expensive hardware paint to achieve the professional quality results and possibly save some money. Hey graffiti artists, muralists, and painters. My name is Urs, and on this channel I'll show you how I make art, take you on some job shadows, and give you a look inside of my creative process. So if you're just joining us, be sure to hit that red bell to see more content like this. Alright, now let's get into the video. Let's start with the most expensive can first. The Montana 94 can is hands down the most user-friendly spray paint on the market. It's low pressure and costs about $7 per can, but it works really well when banging out long, consistent lines. However, what's really awesome about the 94 cans are their transparent colors, which makes shading, drop shadows, and creating depth in your piece a breeze. Next up is hardcores. Hardcores are usually cheaper than 94 cans. They cost about $6 per can. Pretty standard spray paint, literally identical to the gloss finish hardware store spray paint. However, when combined with the skinny hardcore caps, it becomes a professional can. Now for the hardware paint. Paint Primer 1 is about $4 a can at Home Depot. I've learned to use this can to fill in the large areas of color. Being both primer and paint in one, it covers any surface remarkably well and also provides an already primed surface for future layers. And honestly, when I'm practicing at home, I'll trust this paint primer so much that I'll start painting without priming the canvas first. Although I highly recommend priming every time if you're doing a paid commission. However, the spray pressure is way too fast, so it's nearly impossible to achieve thin, sexy lines. However, this is how you do it. Now, if you place your finger on the back of the cap and press down just hard enough, combined with the quick fluid motion, you can achieve professional quality lines. As a general rule, the quicker you pull off this motion, the thinner the lines will be. Now for Quick Color. Quick Color is the first can I ever held. It's $1 a can at Home Depot. It's an oil-based spray paint formula. The can pressure is way too high and inconsistent. It doesn't always cover well, which makes it perfect for first lines in your piece. In conclusion, this canvas behind me was painted using hardware cans and the techniques I previously discussed. Hopefully this video is helpful to you in your creative journey. By the way, this painting is available on my online store, so check out the link. It'll be in the description down below. As always, I love to hear from my fellow creatives, so leave a comment, post a like. Also, click that subscribe button. Click it one time. Just hit it, one time.